Hi, my name is Mukram Shadab, and me and my team were working on this master's project on developing a bike rentals management system, and we have come to an end of this semester, and we have successfully developed the application. And this is my self-reflection video. That is what I have worked and contributed on to developing this project. So I'll be sharing with you guys the details of my achievements. This is the poster of the application which we have developed that rent bikes, and we have included search and filter, search bikes, filter by brand, filter by type, and this is how the poster of our development looks like. Yep. Coming to the introduction of this application, the web application we have developed is to aims to revolutionize the two-wheeler rentals, comprehensive web applications with initiative and effective rental experience. And we have used PHP in developing the software, and HTML, CSS Bootstrap for the front end design. And front end was my friend Rahul, who have worked on this, and the software tester for this development was my friend Aslam, and the project manager for this application was Ibrahim, my friend. Uh, yep, and the user registration and login functionalities for personalized access and rental management. And this software which we have developed was usually based on the country India, Indian market. So the whole aim was of this developing the software was implementing into a city where a flexible rental durations can cater to specific needs, and comprehensive catalog and filtering options for easy browsing and selection, online payment integration for secure and convenient transactions, and features like order history cancellation, booking extension, enhance customer satisfaction. Yes, and I also like to share with you guys that in this application, what we have done is we have included the sandbox payment system, not the real-time payment, online payment method. Yes, and the other objectives are as well enhancing user experience through user-friendly interface, and providing a good platform for renting two-wheelers. And here are the objectives. The scope which we have included in developing this software was adding the vehicles from the owner side, searching vehicles for the user and filtering vehicles for the user, and booking a vehicle online, managing bookings, order tracking, booking cancellation, booking history, profile management of a user, admin and owner controls. Owners are the ones who can upload their vehicles who are interested in renting their bikes, and admin are us who will be managing the uh, software, and users who are the ones who gonna be renting the vehicles. And the scope which we have not included in this project is actual payment processing, like I've told you guys, and the live location support, location tracking, and ratings and reviews based on the Google users. And this picture shows us the Scrum process of our development, like the vision, which we have converted into the user stories, and we have divided the development into three sprints. And and once we complete the sprint one, and if there are any sprint backlogs, and we'll take some time to develop it, and we'll come back to the sprint two, and we'll be having, and we took about 12 weeks to complete this project, and we have completed the project, and at the end of this image shows the end product. Yes, here are the sprint one, sprint two, and sprint three details. The sprint one shows us we had to develop a page for user, owner, admin, and login, and a registration page for owner and users, and profile management, and allowing the access of owners to add up the vehicles and manage vehicles, view vehicle page. And Sprint 2 has the user search and filter vehicles, select duration for a user to book a bike, and uh, his previous orders in Sprint 2, and for owner to view the orders and order tracking. And in Sprint 3, we had extended versions of ordering and renting, and we have developed all the features for the admin, like order statistics and managing registered users, owners, and managing the bookings as well on the admin side on in the Sprint 3. And this is the grand chart of our development, shows the schedule which we have designed earlier uh, before the development started. And the image shows us the sprint 1, sprint 2, and sprint 3, and the date and times which we had to be accomplish this task. And the chart also shows us the burn down progress of our application. This is a use case diagram for our project, wherein admin had limited access and user had a different type of access, and owners had a different type of access, wherein admin couldn't have the access to rent a vehicle, extend ordering, view my booking, wherein user had these options to register and log in, wherein admin doesn't had the option of registering because it's only one admin who's going to be managing the application, wherein owners had the options of registering, logging, managing the order statistics, adding vehicles, view bookings, and profile management, and etc. And in Sprint 1, as an individual, as a backend developer, what I have achieved is worked on PHP logic implementation of various web pages, PHP logic on login and register operations. And I've also developed the session managements on the role based, like if it's for the user or the owner. And also database operations like inserting, updating, visualizing data owner, enabling search and filters, admin side of the view users and manage users and search filters. And here are the evidences of our achievement of my achievements as a backend developer. And I implemented the logic for users to register, and as well as for the owners. So once you put up all the details in here and register as a user or a owner, you can be able to log in onto our application. And this is the poster vehicle page from the owner's side, and it was also part of our sprint one. Like user can post vehicles based on the bike details, like the star mark reflects that's the mandatory fields, and price, model year, fuel type, seating capacity, and etc. And on the left hand side, it shows as the dashboard, vehicles, manage bookings, and add address from the owner's side. Yep, this is the admin side panel where where admin had like multiple accesses of managing vehicles, view users, view owners, number of owners and users registered, managing the bookings, and the testimonials, manage query, and manage pages. These were all accomplished in sprint 1. Moving on to the sprint 2, I have implemented PHP logic on managing booking web page of our application, and the vehicle owner can view all the bookings and manage bookings through this page. And I have implemented the backend of the view page. Vehicle users can view all added vehicles and vehicle informations on this page. I have implemented booking confirmation page on the user's interface of web application. Users can view and confirm their bookings on this page. We've also implemented logic for visualizing vehicle photos on the view vehicle page. Uh, I'm gonna show you guys the evidences of my achievements in the sprint 2. This is the admin panel where once a user books a vehicle, it reflects onto the admin side. on the booking manage bookings page. Once user books his bike, this will reflect on the admin side, and once he confirms the booking, it will again reflect on the user side. This is the owner panel. Once he lists the bike here, these are the two bikes wherein we have posted the two bikes, like different bikes, like it's KTM 390 and Bajaj 450cc bike, and the fuel types are petrol, and the model year is 2023. Yep, visualizing the image of vehicle. This was this page which we have accomplished in the which we have developed in the sprint 2 part of our development. And coming to the sprint 3, I have implemented the logic for adding pick up and drop addresses in the database. I have implemented PHP logic for the bike listing page. I've implemented logic for searching and filtering options. Added total rent on the booking confirmation page. I've implemented PHP logic for manage users query page, and below are the evidences of my achievements in the sprint 3. Yep, this is the my bookings page of a user. The ABC is the name of a user. Once he books a bike, it's gonna reflect onto the user side. And once, like I've discussed in the sprint 2, once the admin confirms it, here you can see admin has confirmed this booking, so it will reflect onto the user side. And the pickup address, as you guys can see below, user will have to add to the pickup location of the bike and can rent his bike. And if in case user makes up his mind of canceling a booking, there is also an option of canceling the booking. And for a user to book a vehicle, he'll have to upload the license first. And once he upload, for this user, it has been approved by the admin. And other users, once he uploads the license from here, from the option here, only then the admin is gonna be approving. Otherwise, if any users fail to upload the license, the booking will not be confirmed by the admin. And this is the bike listing page which we have developed in the sprint 3 module of our development. uh, this is how the bikes gonna be listed here. Currently we have only listed two bikes here. You can use this filter options here by selecting the brand and filter type, and then once you select search the bike will reflect onto based on your search mm, filters. This is the contact us page. Once a user puts his query from here, it will reflect onto the contact us queries page on the admin side. Like I've put a test query here. Once he puts a query, user will have to post his contact number, so that based on his query, admin will contact him and uh, help him by resolving his query. These are the registered user page. The admin can see the number of registered users here, and registered owners, like the number of owners registered, it will also reflect onto the admin side. What lessons have I learned is from this project is PHP dynamic web application development and linking it and connecting it with the MySQL database. And I've also learned the SQL queries, connections, and relations working with Bootstraps and designing responsive websites. And I've also learned a bit with the help of my front-end developer is HTML text formatting and tags and time management, and working in the team has been a great accomplishment for me during this project. Reflections are have played a crucial role in implementing PHP logic, database operations, and various functionalities in this web application. Viewing vehicle details, vehicle listing page, necessary validations, and have of course improved my PHP skills during this development of my project. And the experience of working on the live project was a great accomplishment for me, and stakeholder communications, like with my supervisor and my client, and the team collaboration communications. Ideals to improve are like more practical learning and exposure to projects based on recent technologies would have been and areas of areas for us to improve. This was all about my self-reflection during the development of my bike rental management application. Thank you guys.